Forensic linguists use their knowledge of language to help solve crimes. They study written and spoken language to work out who might have written a message, whether someone is telling the truth, or if a statement has been changed. Forensic linguists often help the police, lawyers, or courts by analyzing texts like ransom notes, online messages, or recorded conversations. Their work can be very detailed and involves spotting patterns in how people speak or write. Those just starting out might earn around £25,000 to £30,000 a year. With more experience, especially if they work with the police or in universities, they could earn £40,000 or more. Some experts who are very well known in the field can earn higher amounts, especially if they work on big legal cases or provide specialist advice. To become a forensic linguist, a person usually needs a degree in linguistics, English language, or a related subject. After that, it's helpful to study forensic linguistics at postgraduate level. Good skills in analyzing language, understanding how people communicate, and being able to write clear reports are essential. Forensic linguists also need to be accurate, patient, and able to explain their ideas clearly to people who aren't language experts, like police officers or judges.